Hi, I'm here to talk about the Aerobie Aeropress. It makes 1 to 3 cups of coffee or espresso. It's a very easy to use system. I'm going to unpack it here and show you how it works. Comes with a little instruction booklet. I'm just going to set that here. And then we have a bag. Okay. Everything is in this bag that you need. It's I'll go through all of these things here. It comes with a funnel that goes in the top of this. It comes with coffee filters in a little holder. There's a measuring spoon and a stirring stick. Okay, I'm just going to set this here. All right, so pull these things back here so we can see them a little better. Okay, and all right. This is a little screen, and you just put your filter in there, like that. It snaps into the bottom of this, these little tabs, and you just snap it in there and turn it. Kind of snug, not too tight. All right, you set on top of your cup, and then you're going to add the coffee. Now I'm doing 1 scoop here. This is a coarse ground. Put that in there. The finer ground espresso is just tastes delicious in this thing. All right, so I'm going to fill the water on here to 4. And I'm going to go ahead and stir it with the stirrer. Give it a little tap. Hit it with the plunger. See the water getting squeezed out of there. You push a little air. Just takes a few seconds. There we go. A little pressure on it. Let's move this aside. And then what you're left with is a little hockey puck of a... Oh, I'm sorry. Let's take that little screen off of there first. And we'll just use a paper towel here. And, nope, can't come apart on me. Anyway, normally you can put that in a flower pot, throw it away, whatever you want to do with it. But that's pretty much it. And now we have a delicious cup of coffee. That was very easy to make and very delicious.